Welcome this medium, the warm within explored the interior design of long cabin home. When you think of a long cabin, when come to mid a rustic getaway, take deep in the wood, a choosy retreat beside a moment admit its feel of warmth, comfort, and timeless charm. What even the image, one thing is warm, the interior of a long cabin home play a hidden role in define its chapter. We explored the magic of long cabin interior, far traditional, static to modern and often tape on create a hormone space that cabin both the past and the present. This historic of warmth and simplicity. Long cabin have a long and strong history that back is enroll and both to Northern America, North America by air set. The interior warm, organic, built of functional warm, protect and affect warm top prompting those home warm conduction with take long far inside and often have simple layout. Today long cabin interior paid home to that host but with much more comfort and style. This remain natural material, edge, tone, and stone connected to natural. But modern long home often smart technology, open layout, and high-end finish. The signification look, key, functional of long cabin interior, explored wood, every warm wood is the star of the show in and long cabin interior from the warm to the pleasant fall being and functional natural would create a warm. You will often see a mix open each with its textile and tone to the space feel through deep mean design incorporating lights wood finish or back up remove with pin elements range and textile. The gold adds to lost and natural gram into functional to the wood shade that those and charm line. Open layout with left modern long cabin embrace open deck like high various with explored beam make the interior feel those loft design allow natural lights to fit then with long picture window that frame the surrounding view. Open layout also enhance the social aspect of the space. The kitchen design and living area often fall together. Gram around the fireplace or kitchen inside. Stone accents to complement the original feel of the wood. Stone work is often add fireplace, kitchen or access wall. A group stone fireplace is a match in an classic long cabin about various central price and accompaniment hard story. Whether it's field stone or those textile add controllers and deep create a perfect balance between range and refined room by room design. The long cabin interior long living room the heart of the cabin. The living room is warm. The rustic charm of a long home come to life. A marked stone fireplace, oversized fiber, soft and soft living lights set the tone of relax, warm is everything here. Decoration. A wall chose area range help